morning, students, and welcome to our last day of week 3 with online learning with Western International using the Class Dojo app. Okay, we're going strong. Let's keep this going. Okay, today is Friday, 18th of December 2020. And before we get to our lessons, please write your name or write hello teacher in the comments so that I can see that you are in class right now. It is review time, so let's have a look at what we did yesterday. Okay, now remember yesterday we started reading the story, okay? And it's very important that we practice this reading. All right, so for review now, we're going to read the story again, okay? So I want you to listen, watch, and try and read with, okay? Guess who? Guess who, guess who? Don't be wrong or you'll be a fool. Dad, who am I? You're a hairdresser. Guess who, guess who? Don't be wrong or you'll be a fool. Mom, who am I? You're a chef. Guess who, guess who? Don't be wrong or you'll be a fool. Sister, who am I? You're a waiter. Guess who, guess who? Don't be wrong or you'll be a fool. Brother, who am I? You're a pilot. Guess who, guess who? Don't be wrong or you'll be a fool. Aunt, who am I? You're an astronaut. Guess who, guess who? Don't be wrong or you'll be a fool. Uncle, who am I? You're a postman? No. A policeman? No. A fireman? Oh, I really have no clue. Okay, class, it is time for our lesson. Okay, and we're also going to do a little bit of review in the lesson. We're going to go through all of the words that we learned for the different job classes that there are. As the little boy dresses up, as the different jobs and stuff, so that you can understand and practice these words, okay? So, let's go through some of these jobs. All right, are you ready for this? And the first job we're going to look at is a chef. A chef, okay? A chef is someone who cooks food in a restaurant. So when you go out and you eat food, you have all that tasty, tasty, tasty food. Somebody is in the kitchen cooking that food for you. Okay, that is a chef. The next one is a hairdresser. The girls like hairdressers. Okay, a hairdresser is somebody who works with hair. So if you want your hair cut, they'll cut it. If you want to change the color of your hair, you go to the hairdresser. If you want it to be a pretty style because you're going to a party, the hairdresser will do that for you. Okay. The next picture we're looking at is a policeman. Policeman, they are very important because they are the ones that walk around and they watch everybody so that nobody is naughty. Okay. Remember I taught you in the A sounds, when the policeman captures the bad guy, he nabs him. Can you remember that? I know you can. Right. The next one is a pilot. A pilot. This is somebody who flies the big airplanes. So when you go to a different country and you climb into the airplane, the voice comes on the speaker and says, "Ladies and gentlemen, we're now ready to leave. Please fasten your seatbelts." That voice, that guy, he's the pilot. He's going to fly the plane. Okay. And then we have, the next job is a waiter. A waiter also works in a restaurant. After the chef cooks the food, the waiter goes and fetches the food and brings it to your table so that you can eat it. Okay, so the waiter is the person who brings you your food. And then we have an astronaut. All the little boys want to be astronauts because you get to go up in a rocket. And you fly up into space and you see all the stars and all the planets. That's pretty amazing. That is an astronaut. Okay. And then you get the postman. Postman. The postman is somebody who brings you your post. When somebody writes you a letter, they put it in the post box and then the postman will go fetch it and will read the address. I know who this child is. And then he will go to your house and he'll put it in your post box for you. That is a postman. And the last job we're going to look at is a fireman. A fireman. This guy puts out fires. If your house sets on fire, oh no, everything's burning. You call the fireman and he comes quickly, wee, 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 and he puts out the fire and he saves everything. Okay. So, let's quickly see again which jobs did we go through now? Chef, hairdresser, policeman, pilot, waiter, astronaut, pilot, sorry, wrong one, postman, and fireman. Okay, do you got this? Yes, you do. It is activity time, and as you're used to, there are 2 activities. Okay? Activity number 1, complete your worksheet. Activity number 2, you're going to make a recording for me. Alright, let me explain to you your worksheet. Okay, as always, write your name, write the date, and then you're going to, like we did yesterday afternoon, you're going to look at the little pictures and you're going to color 2 items that he will use to do his job. Okay, so for the chef, you're going to find stuff that he will use, and for the hairdresser, you're going to find things that they will use. You're only color in those pictures. Okay, activity number 2, I want you to practice saying the words. So you're going to record yourself saying the words we did in the lesson today. Alright, all the different job classes. Okay? And when you're finished, upload your video to the activities section on Class Dojo so that I can watch. Good luck, class. That is the end of our morning session for today. Please make sure you do all of your activities, and I will see you lunchtime. Bye!